What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Japs. I'm gonna go over Matic. More importantly, right now Ethereum, which has had a major breakout. So currently we're sitting at $1.54. We're up about 6% on the day. We're seeing market cap 11.63 billion, 24-hour volume 727 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here we are on the daily time frame for Matic. I talked about $1.50, that major level that we need to break through here. We are back above the 20 EMA. As I had mentioned, we fell out of this symmetrical triangle and we bounced right off that strong $1.36 level of support. And I said it's crucial we get back above $1.50. We hold it as support if we are going to see continuation, because if we simply get rejected, that's when it can come right back down to 136. If we pop over to our next chart here, I've been talking about this falling wedge pattern. We broke out, we're back above the 20, currently holding it as support. So we need to see a nice push up to this level of resistance, about $1.62. Let me quickly drop in a price target. As you can see here, I have an inverted fib all the way down from our summer low up to our peak here, which was in December. And you can see we're starting to bounce off the 0.5 with that bullish divergence, as I've been mentioning here. So crucial, in my opinion, to get back above $1.62, previous resistance, previous level of support. It also lines up with the 55 EMA on the daily. And if we get back above that level, we are breaking out of this massive descending broadening wedge, and that could be a huge push back to the upside. If we look at the smaller time frames, we can see here on the 4-hour we are trending towards overbought. Let me just quickly take this out here. And that is usually when you see a move back down or some consolidation, just as you saw right here, we're overbought, move back down right here as well. Overbought on our indicators, move back down. So do keep a close eye on that. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Yeah, so it looks like we have a bearish divergence here on the hourly. You can see right here, we're creating higher highs, we're creating lower highs on the RSI, as well as money is flowing out. Early indicator of a move back down. So if we do see a little bit of a drop here, I will drop in some levels of support. This previous swing high, which is coming in here, let me give it a little price tag at about $1.48, could definitely act as support. And then personally, I would target this swing low. See the support in this area, support right here, support here, support in this area as well. That could definitely act as support for Matic, which is coming in at about $1.42. We do have a little bit of a bull flag, bull pennant pattern going on here for Matic, which is starting to break out. So what you can do is measure your flag pull, take you to your point of breakout. Now anything can happen even when you have these bearish divergences. Sometimes they are invalidated. And we have broken out here. It is a bit of a riskier trade due to this divergence, the fact that we're overbought. Not a trade I would take personally, but to each their own. Mostly I just dollar cost average into my positions here. So that could take you all the way up to 163 and break you out of that descending broadening wedge. So far for Matic, we've had 5 entries with our break even sitting at 172. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. So currently we're only down our trade about 11%. Now what's important here is Ethereum. Ethereum has broken out of this symmetrical triangle. Not only that, but we're back above the 55 EMA on the daily. I talked about us getting back above the golden ratio at 2808. There's a higher likelihood you come back up to where you started, and that's where we're heading, guys. 3041. We're back above the EMA. So if we do see some pullback here, which definitely could be a likely scenario, what we want to see is we hold the 55. The 55 swings underneath, the 20 EMA starts to creep up, and we have the bullish cross, and we see a massive push to the upside for ETH. If we pop over to our next chart, also on the daily, you can see it more clearly. Beautiful push above the 55 EMA. We've broken out of this falling wedge pattern, and we've met that technical target. I talked about us reaching 3017 in our last video. We have that bullish divergence, which is starting to play out. We're trending towards the top section once again, as well as the money flow, and the MACD has just printed the bullish cross. As you can see right here, we've just had the bullish cross on the daily MACD. So we can see a nice push. If we break 3017 all the way up to 3270, we've broken out of this descending channel. So we are in a technical target up to 4785. Now what you want to keep a close eye on, in my opinion, is the Ethereum long positions, which are starting to drop out rather rather swiftly here. Since about March 17th, we've seen a sharp decline, which means the long positions are taking profits as price is pushing up here, which can be an early indication of a move back down. Let me quickly pop open the short positions. Let's hope everybody's doing well. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you're doing something exciting this weekend and not just staring at the charts. So if we look at the short positions, continuing to see that drop off in shorts. But as I mentioned in my previous video, I do think they'll start to pick up as price increase here for Ethereum. The fact that we have trended towards oversold, and usually that's when you see the shorts start to pick up, as you can see right here as well. So do keep an eye on that. The longs are dropping out, which is an early indication of a move back down. So if we do see some pullback, hopefully we can hold the support here of the EMAs. And we also have the golden ratio coming in at 2.808, could act as support. The 0.786, which we just broke above, coming in about 2.898. So if we do see some rollover, hopefully we hold that level of support. We hold the 55 EMA, the 20 EMA starts to creep up, and we can see the bullish cross for ETH. That's basically it. Just a quick little update for our friend Matic. Watch this bull pennant pattern. You are in a technical target up to about $1.63. However, we do have that bearish divergence, so we could definitely start to roll over here. And if we don't hold the support of the bull pennant pattern, that's when you can come back down to about $1.48. Previous swing high, a lot of support resistance in that area. If we lose that, do target about $1.42. With our dollar cost average strategy, we're getting closer to our $1.72. Break even, equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. If that bullish divergence on the RSI fully plays out, we could definitely see a huge breakout up to about $1.90. That's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members. We have buy and take profit zones that are updated regularly. If you're looking to dollar cost average into your altcoin positions, we have the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel. The DCA trade strategy fully explained. Also 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. 350 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.